Hi guys, welcome to another video on Isaac's channel. In today's video we're going to learn about metabolism. That is all the chemical reactions happen inside your body. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. First of all, metabolism is the set of all chemical reactions that happen in your body to keep you alive. It converts energy from food and drink into usable energy to fuel, grow, and repair your body. Even when you're sleeping, your metabolism is still active. There are two main types of metabolism: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the process of breaking down large, complex molecules into smaller ones, such as breaking proteins into amino acids. This process releases energy in the form of ATP and heat. Examples of catabolism include digestion and cellular respiration. Anabolism is the opposite. It is the process of building complex molecules from smaller ones, such as doing protein synthesis. This process requires energy, usually in the form of ATP. Examples of anabolism include tissue repair and growth. Metabolism also depends on specialized proteins called enzymes. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions, and without them, metabolism would be too slow to sustain life. They work by either building up or breaking down molecules. Each enzyme has a specific shape, and a molecule called a substrate fits into a region called the active site. The enzyme then helps convert the substrate into a product by forming or breaking chemical bonds. After that, the product is released and the enzyme can be used again. Metabolism doesn't happen in just one place. It occurs in different parts of the cell, such as the cytoplasm and the mitochondria, and in different tissues like the liver, muscles, and brain. Each type of cell has slightly different metabolic priorities. Metabolism is also constantly regulated. Your body adjusts it using hormones like insulin and glucagon, enzyme activation or inhibition, nutrient availability, and oxygen levels. There is also something called the basal metabolic rate, or BMR. This is the minimum amount of energy your body needs to stay alive at rest, including breathing, heartbeat, and cell maintenance. Factors that affect BMR include age, sex, genetics, and body composition, such as muscle mass. So guys, that was today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you enjoy biology. Next video will be about cell signaling, and I'll see you in the next video.